Welcome to the Wealth Echelon, your ultimate destination for mastering personal finance, building wealth, and achieving financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner looking to budget smarter, an aspiring investor exploring the stock market, or someone seeking practical strategies for debt reduction, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. Expect expert tips, proven strategies, and real-world examples to help you take control of your money and unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial mastery, one smart decision at a time. Build wealth, fast tips from Warren Buffett. Number 1. Set clear financial objectives. According to Warren Buffett, wealth creation depends on having clear financial objectives. This entails knowing exactly what you want to accomplish and coming up with a strategy to get there. You can stay motivated and focused by certain specific goals, and you can monitor your development over time. You might decide to invest in a specific stock or mutual fund, for instance, or to set a goal to save a certain amount of money each month. Number 2, live below your means. Buffett encourages people to live within their means and to resist the urge to overspend. This entails paying attention to your spending and choosing to conserve money wherever you can. You might decide, for instance, to buy a second-hand automobile rather than a new one, or to prepare meals at home rather than going out. Living within your means will allow you to save and invest more money for the future. Number 3, long-term investments. Warren Buffett is renowned for placing more emphasis on long-term investments than on short-term profits. He advises making investments in dependable, high-caliber businesses with significant room for expansion. You can take advantage of compounding gains and avert the hazards associated with short-term market changes by making long-term investments. Number 4, avoid debt. According to Buffett, avoiding debt is essential to accumulating wealth. This entails staying away from credit card debts and loans with high interest rates, as well as paying off any existing bills as early as you can. You may lower your financial risk and free up more money to invest and save by staying out of debt. Be persistent and patient. Buffett highlights the value of these traits when it comes to accumulating wealth. He thinks that making long-term investments and staying away from rash choices might help you reach your financial objectives. You may prevent costly errors and lay a strong financial foundation for the future by exercising patience and avoiding snap judgments. Number 5, find ways to boost your income. Warren Buffett also suggests doing a side job, spending money on your education and career, or looking for new chances. You can expedite your savings and investing goals and increase your chances of becoming wealthy by looking for ways to increase your income. Now, here are some other bonus tips. If you like our content, do subscribe to us for more educational content on finance and productivity. Here are the bonus tips as promised. Number 1, increase your income. Increasing your income is a crucial step to fast accumulating money. To do this, you can raise your wage through negotiation, looking for a position that pays more, create a side business, or put money into your education and training. If you have been at your current position for a while and have a solid performance history, negotiating a higher wage may be a viable alternative. You can investigate the going rate for your position and make a case to your employer for a pay raise. You might also hunt for higher-paying employments that fit your qualifications and expertise. Starting a side business gives you the opportunity to make extra money while you're free. You can begin small and steadily expand your firm over time while reinvesting profits. Number 2, spend less money. Cutting back on your spending is a crucial step to fast accumulating wealth. This entails reducing wasteful spending on things like dining out, shopping for new clothes, and paying for pricey hobbies. You can get started by making a budget and keeping track of your spending to find places where you can make savings. Additionally, you might seek for ways to cut costs on necessities like groceries, electricity, and transportation. You may, for instance, change to a more affordable cell phone plan or start paying for subscription services you don't use. Number 3, invest in real estate. Buying real estate at a discount and then selling it for a profit might be a terrific method to swiftly accumulate wealth. Renting out your properties is another way you can get passive income. It's crucial to conduct research and comprehend the local market before making an investment in real estate. You need also think about the expenses of owning and maintaining the property. Number 4. Start a business. If you have a specific concept or a specialized skill set, starting a business can be a terrific method to quickly accumulate riches. You can start small and gradually expand your firm while reinvesting profits in it. Prior to launching a firm, it's critical to conduct research and create a comprehensive business plan. You should be ready to put time and money into the company, especially in the beginning. Number 5. Invest in the stock market. Over the long run, investing in the stock market can be a terrific method to increase wealth. You can benefit from compounding returns and potentially make sizable gains over time by investing in a wide portfolio of equities. It's crucial to do your homework and comprehend the hazards associated with investing in the stock market. Additionally, you should create a sound investment plan and be ready to hold your money for a considerable amount of time. Number 6. Seek out competent financial counsel. A financial advisor may assist you in maximizing your wealth-building efforts and helping you make wise investment decisions. They can guide you through confusing financial items and help you maximize your financial resources. Prior to working with a financial advisor, it's crucial to do your homework and pick a reputable and qualified person. They normally charge a fee based on the assets they manage. Number 7. Develop financial literacy. Warren Buffett strongly believes that knowledge is the foundation of wealth. Financial literacy enables you to make informed decisions about saving, investing, and managing your money effectively. Many people fail to build wealth not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't understand how to manage and grow their finances. Buffett himself dedicates a significant portion of his day to reading and learning, which has contributed to his financial success. Developing financial literacy involves understanding concepts like compound interest, asset allocation, risk management, and taxation. Reading books such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki can provide valuable insights into money management. Additionally, staying updated with financial news and market trends helps in making better investment choices. By continuously educating yourself on financial matters, you can make smarter decisions that lead to long-term wealth accumulation and financial independence. Number 8. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in today's ever-changing economy. Warren Buffett advises people to create multiple income streams to increase financial stability and accelerate wealth growth. The wealthy often have diverse sources of earnings, such as stock investments, real estate, businesses, and passive income opportunities. One way to achieve this is by investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate that generates rental income. Another approach is starting a side business or freelancing in your spare time, which can gradually turn into a full-time income source. Developing digital products, such as online courses or ebooks, can also create passive income with minimal effort over time. By diversifying income sources, you not only increase your overall earnings, but also reduce financial risks, ensuring that you have multiple financial safety nets in place. Number 9. Maintain a strong work ethic. Buffett attributes much of his success to discipline, hard work, and patience. He believes that consistent effort and a strong work ethic are key to achieving financial goals. Unlike those who seek shortcuts to wealth, Buffett emphasizes long-term thinking and perseverance. He famously started investing as a child and remained dedicated to his financial journey for decades. To build wealth, it's crucial to stay focused on your goals and avoid distractions that lead to unnecessary financial setbacks. Hard work also involves continuous self-improvement, whether by gaining new skills, increasing productivity, or making strategic career moves. Buffett's work ethic is also reflected in his ability to resist impulsive financial decisions, instead focusing on calculated and well-researched investments. Those who are disciplined in managing their time, efforts, and financial strategies are more likely to succeed in the long run. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more wealth-building insights. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates.